Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, this civil justice sign of closure is for state of Maryland. Okay, so you are, if we are all in same page, you are all witnessing the life scandal, right? Because in each and every single regions of the Jesuits province, there is some kind of a patterns of abuse you are all are witnessing. So, what is more of the patterns of abuse you are seeing in, will you be witnessing in the state of Maryland is again a testimony. Okay, when I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, during that time only, maybe in the year 2014, anywhere between 2014 and 2016ish time frame, along with, I explained that how the statue, the devil statue, was provided on next to the nativity set in the state of Michigan. So same year only, state of Maryland public schools declared that Merry Christmas will never be considered as a holiday, government holiday at all, and they banned that holiday. So that time when I was educating, all I said was God is there, God will take care, means I was only in the analysis mode, right? So I never knew down the road after a few years, in 2020 there will be COVID-19 plague scandal, and then 2021 I, Vedapriya, will be the pro se, the true civil lawyer, the true civil justice, the true civil supreme judge will sign off all the civil justice and provide all the medical compensation for the entire population. Got it? So that is why, one more time, I just want to say to the population of state of Maryland, not to be in panic mode. Oh no, oh my gosh. There is another satanic organizations headquartered in state of Maryland. Oh no, what to do? I'm saying is just to not panic. Stay wherever you are, and that is how the civil justice can be provided in an excellent way, flawless way, perfect way. Okay, now tell me, what is Pope Francis going to say about that? Right? Can, I know you all are laughing out loud along with me, right? So please tell me, what is Pope Francis going to say about that? Is he going to say, does he knows United States of America, or Pope Francis must say, never ever heard of a USA nation? Oh, is there a nation called USA? Oh, sorry, I am so holy, holy. I am Republic. I, Pope Francis, a very Republic, very holy, holy. I only jumped from heaven, and I'm always in the Vatican. I'm saying always rosary. I've never heard about that. There's a state called State of Maryland. Oh, it sounds so weird. Like that, he has to say. So, either of those answers he has to say from his mouth, and it is going to be super fun, isn't it? Because then there will be question, right? Why on the earth that state of Maryland banned Merry Christmas government holiday? And what Pope Francis is going to answer for that when he is having a satanic organization headquartered, one of the headquarters in state of Maryland? Got it? Why President Joe Biden will resign immediately, right? See, there is during the justice process, nobody can help nobody. Right. See, when I'm saying the senators, there were two senators, right? Who are they? Bernie Sanders and Senate Bernie Sanders and Senate Elizabeth Warren. They cannot help President Joe Biden, right? They were even wanting President Joe Biden to select them as a vice president, right? But then they all backed off. It was all, see, can you all see that whatever happened in their life is also for good? That they never became vice president is also turned out to be good for them, right? Because when the scandal is so deadliest, everybody will just back off. Everybody will run, vices will run away from the foolish people, right? So, what is President Joe Biden going to say about that? That the state of Maryland banned the Merry Christmas holiday in the public schools? or in the entire state of Maryland. Right? So what President Joe Biden is going to do about that? For how much of medical finance compensation can President Joe Biden pay to the civilians who have been emotionally tortured to live with it, die with it, with whatever injustice has been thrown on them at a random way? Who is state of Maryland to even ban the Merry Christmas holiday? So, can you all see how God is always God and God's timings is nobody knows, right? That means when they banned Merry Christmas holiday in the public school system and in state of Maryland, they never knew that I, Vedapriya Pro, say true civil lawyer, true civil judge, true civil supreme judge, true civil doctor will stand up and get the medical finance compensation. So that means whoever banned the Merry Christmas holiday in state of Maryland few years ago, they all have to pay the price today, and entire government operations in state of Maryland handcuffed and must be only in jail. Can you all see how nobody can escape the wrath of God, right? I own state of Maryland, right? Each dust in state of Maryland belongs to me, right? So who on the earth gave the authority for United States of America and state of Maryland to even ban the Merry Christmas holiday, which is the only true festival of love after all? So that means, can you all see on the highest candle, the Islam, Judaism, they hate true love. I already said. So can you all say, can you all trace it on the scandal part, why all these scandals are happening? So you all understood, right? So when the Islam, Judaism, why they not wanted the people to celebrate Merry Christmas, a true festival of love, the true festival of holy marriage law, the true festival of true friend, right, for the celebration is because once when people started to celebrate the true festival after knowing the true meaning, they'll be walking only towards in what path? Wisdom ways. And these idiotic, sorry to explain, provide that word, but that's how it is, right? At least I'm not using more accused words. That is a good sign, right? And I already explained how I worked on when I'm super frustrated about not to use accused words, and that helped me a lot, right? And I have provided the testimony as well. So these Islam and Judaism, they are so cunning, communist and paganist. Who are they? Friends, right? So tell me, trace the process. He only gave the Statue of Liberty to United States of America. He only said there should be freedom of religion, right? So can you all see how even that freedom of religion was also enforced to only mandate sexual immorality and not to provide wisdom pathways after all? In the name of religion, freedom of religion only, they injected all kinds of toxins. And one of the toxins what? They were just waiting. The state of Maryland, the Islam and Judaism, they were waiting for a day to ban Merry Christmas in state of Maryland. And boom, they did that and they got the wrath of the God. That moment they never knew that, they are so gods, right? The Islam and Judaism, they are foolish always. They are absolute cunning. Even on the blood cells level, they will always be thinking of hurting fellow mankind only. They can sleep only after enjoying the sufferings of fellow mankind, right? So that means that moment, few years back, they must never have had a clue in year 2021, it will be the state of Maryland will be handcuffed by I am Vedapriya. Any government operations in state of Maryland is wrong. It's $1 trillion scandal. So all of them are handcuffed and all of them must go to only jail forever. I only can bail out state of Maryland. Nobody can, not even President Joe Biden. So they cannot, so that means the state of Maryland cannot beg Pope to save them. He cannot, he's already going to go into the volcano, right? And Queen of England also allocated death penalty in volcano in Hawaii. President Joe Biden already is going to resign, so he cannot help. Nobody can help. Senators cannot help. Nothing. So tell me, Why that basic humanity? It's not even humanity. See, when we all know, oh, is that a true festival of love? Oh, is that a true festival of holy marriage? Means people will definitely celebrate that festival only. Right, but why on they want here they want to ban it? Because they did not. The state of Maryland wanted more and more and more and more of foolish people to be produced. Right. Once when they are not walking in the wisdom ways, they are only walking on the foolish ways. What will happen to the human brains? It will be rewritten. It will be chewed mode. Right. It will be rewritten to walk only in the wisdom foolish ways. So what will I do as a supreme car? I will have only cane in my hand. That is all for the discipline. Okay, I will stand, and that is all for all the abusive patients to be cured and healed on that spot by 99.9% in the state of Maryland. I will not even bother to run behind all the abusive patients, and even I will not waste time in asking, hey, abusive patient, did you get a chance to be transitioned to be walking in the wisdom ways? No, that's not my job. My job is just guide all the people to walk only in the wisdom ways. That's all is needed, my fellow mankind. Just provide a rightful pathway, a guidance, like a parental love, right? Or like an excellent nursing or a teacher or a guide or a coach. These are all the attributes of a true friend, after all. Okay, so now tell me how on the earth those population were also enforced to live with that injustice, right? In the state of Maryland, how many population were enforced to let go of celebrating the Merry Christmas because of the state of Maryland banned that Merry Christmas as a holiday. Right? Can you all see how God is always the God, and people cannot fool God always all the time, right? And what is the second layer of the scandal? Each and every single state looks like a free state category or slave state category or satanic organization headquartered category. Now, the state of Maryland came under which category? It came under the Roman province satanic organization headquartered in state of Maryland category. So then what is another layer? Queen Elizabeth only is ruling that state as well. So that is why it is also all, see, if you're going to see the East Coast states, it's all mandated to be named after Queen Elizabeth only. So there is a different forms of illusionship provided. Nobody knew that state of Maryland is named after Queen Elizabeth II only, right? So can you all see the scandal and a scandal and a scandal, and why exactly state of Maryland banned Merry Christmas? It all traces to why Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of England, is never a Christian, first of all. Is an absolute deadliest venomous Islam and Judaism, paganism, deadliest communism, right? So it's all proved. I'm proving it in the proof. So that means whoever were working with me side by side as a volunteer during my volunteer project, today they must be laughing out loudest and being happiest mode. Oh, is that the lady is talking right now? Oh wow, God is there. God is absolutely there. That's how they will be talking in a happiest mode, because even beyond the roadblocks provided to me, I am still able to display all the proof. So can you all get it? So each and every single, from state of Illinois you're seeing, state of Wisconsin you're seeing, right? And even state of England, everywhere it looks as if they are all free states or very nice states. But no, everything got destroyed after all. That is the reality. But then who can fix those broken systems? Only I. Right? So that is a reality, my fellow mankind. Okay, so I will keep continuing with the civil justice sign off. Okay, as of February 1st, 2021, I, Vedapriya, I am pro se civil lawyer, and USA never provided pro se salary to I am Vedapriya, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. Is a deadly and the USA never provided salary to me, and it is a deadliest crime. And that is why USA is at fault and found guilty mode. So, what is the DWD error of the state of Maryland? The DWD error of state of Maryland, the Department of Workforce, they never provided a job code and a defined salary of at least tax-free $100,000, and because of that error, it's a chain reaction error, right? So because of that error, state of Maryland Department of Justice Services never able to provide pro-se salary. And because of that error, it's all interlinked only on a highest umbrella scandal, right? Because of that only, the justice services were not able to provide me pro-se salary. What if they were provided the pro-se salary of 100,000 at least? That would have helped me a little bit, that's all. Because emotional torture, I have to handle it. For feelings torture, I have to handle it. Memory wastage torture, I have to handle it. But then this little bit of that finance aid could have helped me to meet all my basic essentials or to move forward like that. But even that help they never able to provide. So humans worldwide, I mean across the states, were mandated to be only brutal, merciless, insane, inhumane, wild, endangered only. How loving humans became that kind of a mode means we all are seeing upfront, witnessing the true live demo with my live demo, right? Pope Francis created that kind of a scandal. And then because of these two errors in state of Maryland, the state of Maryland Department of Health Services is also errored, because they never educated the DW2 should to provide the pro-se salary, and that's $1 trillion error as a standalone. And then because of all these three systems errors in the state of Maryland, the state of Maryland Treasury, the state of Maryland Federal Tax, the state of Maryland's IRS tax, they are all errored as well. So on the foundation line, how the tax services agencies will be shut down forever. Because how USA nation ever provided tax services for child marriage population in past 500 years. Oh, there is no other crime, right? And then when USA nation is ruled by faces of Jesuits leader, Vatican leader is what? Republica Roman Catholics, Jesuits province in state of Maryland. So the states, the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist is another $1 trillion scandal. Now tell me how we got caught. The Pope Francis, he has to say whether he knows USA, or Pope Francis has to say don't know USA. Pope Francis has to say whether he knows what is state of Maryland, or Pope Francis has to say don't know what is state of Maryland. Pope Francis has to say whether he knows the Roman province Jesuits organization in USA, or Pope Francis has to say don't know what is Roman province Jesuits organization in USA. Right? And above all, Pope Francis has to say whether he knows what is child marriage, or Pope Francis has to say don't know child marriage. And Pope Francis has to say why he knows that why and how exactly state of Maryland banned the Merry Christmas, right? Or Pope Francis has to say never ever heard of the state of Maryland and never knows that state of Maryland only banned Merry Christmas. Can you all see how many crimes he created? He is going to be thrown in a volcano any moment, right? And President Joe Biden will resign any second. Then Republica Roman Catholics Jesuits province, state of Maryland, right? The Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer only gave 666 mark of the beast, health, justice, poverty mandate handbook to USA nation to provide only injustice. If you're seeing, so that means all the states are providing only what? Only injustice for past 500 years. And they have been only punishing innocent for how many long years? 500 long years. And always these Roman Catholics, Jesuits organization leaders, provinces, they were misguiding and destroyed the entire USA national operations. And with fatal negligence, Republica Roman Catholic Jesuits province, state of Maryland, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, failed to educate DWD, must provide job code for pro-se salary of at least $100,000. So what is the civil justice as of today for the found and found guilty state of Maryland, handcuffed mode and to be in the jail forever mode? Republica Roman Catholics Jesuits province state of Maryland, faces of Roman Jesuits Vatican leader should direct deposit tax-free $50,000 trillion to I, Vedapriya, pro se, a true civil lawyer, a true civil supreme judge, a true civil doctor. For there is never pro se job code and defined salary in the United States of America as of today. So can you all see how a few years back they just banned Merry Christmas, and today it is not even for banning Merry Christmas. That is a separate crime which I will be handling it on a later civil justice part. Today they got caught because of what? Every organizations of the operations is destroyed. Right? So they got caught and they have to pay me $50,000 trillion. That means I mandated the state of Maryland government, each and every single government agencies, handcuffed mode, to stand upside down and just pay me $50,000 trillion. Who gave authority for the USA to even destroy state of Maryland that belongs to me? I own state of Maryland. Then the last part of the justice is, at fault and found guilty, USA nation must direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 and another tax-free $100,000 for damages done. Damages done type are poverty enforced damages, finance loss created damages, financial disability damages, emotional damages, fair feelings damages, memory wastage damages. Who will pay for the damages? See, state of Maryland should have had a second thought before creating havoc, right? But they are all slaves to Pope Francis and they have to pay the price. Then, at fault and found guilty, state of Maryland, DWD must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. At fault and found guilty, state of Maryland, DOJ must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil judge, true civil supreme judge, true civil doctor. Then at fault and found guilty, state of Maryland, Department of Health Services must pay direct deposit check of pro se of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. Then at fault and found guilty, state of Maryland tax, state of Maryland IRS, state of Maryland treasury, state of Maryland Federal Reserve must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya, pro se, I am true civil lawyer, I am true civil doctor, I am true civil supreme judge. Then what more is a civil justice? Republican, Roman Catholics, Jesuits province, the state of Maryland is the coronavirus. Got it? Can you all see how coronavirus headquartered in different state is the root cause for the creation of coronavirus itself? Right? And how on the earth they provided a scam and how the Wuhan, China became a scapegoat. I explained everything, right? China is a trading agent for vendors for the USA, that is all. Boom, it's the business transaction. But then, it's behind the scenes they want to scapegoat some nation, right? So they wanted to scapegoat China, that's all about it. But who exactly created the coronavirus? You are seeing, you all are witnessing. It is the state of Wisconsin, all the states wherever the Pope Francis created a Satanic organization, they only enforce the poverty mandate. So, state of Maryland is what? State of Maryland is the coronavirus. What is President Joe Biden going to say about that? And then, Republican, Roman Catholic, Jesuits province, state of Maryland should say they know what is pro se. Or state of Maryland should say, the Roman Catholic Jesuits province, state of Maryland should say they don't know what is pro se. Either ways, I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge won the case, right? And it's just a proof. One, the civil justice prove why I am the excellent Supreme Chief Civil Judge to lead justice for all nations, and I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, is an excellent family law judge for all nations, and civil justice wins always is the wisdom. So thank you all for your time. Just be aware that I am born to save the world, and I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom, right? The satanic organizations are headquartered, and the manufacturing facilities are all in these states only. Nobody knew. So at least good news is I displayed all the truth with all the live demo and all the proof. Means it is the USA that is the happiest nation as of today, and yes and yes and yes forever. President Joe Biden will resign immediately. Okay. Thank you all for your time one more time. Have a good day. Bye now.